Let's talk about same and different. All right, the first one, same, looks like this. All right, just use your dominant hand. If you're left-handed, use your left hand. If you're righty like me, use your right hand. All right, the hand shape is going to be the letter Y. How do you make the letter Y? Well, middle three fingers, just put them down. There's a Y. Now tilt the hand forward so it's like this, knuckles facing forward, palm down, and just go back and forth. Same. Same. From the side. Same. Other side. Same. All right, let's do it 3 times from the rest position. Here we go. Same. 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 Okay, now let's talk about different. All right, so that's the sign different. We're going to use our index fingers. Okay, so I'm right-handed once again. I'm going to put my first one here, second one in front of it. All right, we have like an X, a plus maybe, but it's like an X, more like that. Now we just go apart, different. All right, different. So we start crossed and then we go out, different. From the side, different. Other side, different. All right, let's do it 3 times from the rest position. Here we go. Different. 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 All right, let's see our word pairs. All right, we have same and we have different. All right, let's do some practice. All right, let's sign same and we're going to pause at the rest position and sign different. Sign with me. Here we go. Same, different. Same, different. Same, different. Okay, again, one more time. Here we go. Same, different. All right, these were the signs for same and different.